Hey friends, in this video we're going to talk about the latest immigration news. Firstly, what's going on Capitol Hill? Well, on Monday, February 8th, the Secure Act was reintroduced. Under the Secure Act, individuals who have temporary protected status, or TPS, would have a pathway to a green card and ultimately citizenship. This bill was reintroduced by Senator Van Hollen and Senator Cardin. Although this is a very exciting piece of legislation, we have to wonder how far will this actually go. During the last Congress, it really didn't get very far, as I reported out to you just a few days ago. And so we're going to have to see whether this proposal will go anywhere on Capitol Hill, and more importantly, will it ultimately make its way into some sort of negotiation involving the U.S. Citizenship Act? Let's see what happens there. Now, the biggest thing that's going on Capitol Hill, as you guys know, is the COVID-19 relief bill that the committees are now crafting legislation around. Immigration reform at this point has not made its way into the COVID-19 relief talks. As a matter of fact, several Democratic senators recently sided with Republicans to withhold stimulus checks from undocumented immigrants. And so immigration as a hot button issue is not part of anything that's really that's happening right now with the COVID relief bill. If anything changes, I will be sure to let you guys know. Now, what else is going on? As I've reported out to you guys, on February 2nd, President Biden signed an executive order that calls for a review of the public charge rules. Some of you may be asking the question whether public charge is still in effect and whether you still have to file the Form I-944 Declaration of Self-Sufficiency or not. Public charge is still in effect, and in fact, it applies to all jurisdictions. According to the AILA document that I have in front of us, it says the executive order does not change the current requirements to file a Form I-944, the Declaration of Self-Sufficiency. The DHS public charge rule remains in effect, and that the Form I-944 is currently required in all jurisdictions. So we know that public charge is still in effect and the 944 is still required. Well, what if you received a request for evidence saying that you did not submit the I-944 and you need to go ahead and submit the I-944? If you have such an RFE, guys, you need to respond to it, and you need to take it very seriously. Public charge is really complex, and you need to have expert help with the 944. Give us a call because we work on those types of requests for evidence. What about the form, the DS 5540, which is the public charge questionnaire that the Department of State was requiring from individuals? Is that still required? The answer is no. The DS 5540 is no longer required. In the AILA document, it says the Department of State announced on August 7th, 2020, that it would adhere to the injunction issued by a court here in New York, the Southern District of New York, and therefore not require the form DS 5540. So just to summarize, friends, public charge is still in effect. You must submit the I-944 if you're here in the U.S. and you're going through an adjustment of status process. However, if you're overseas applying for an immigrant visa to come here, you do not need to submit the DS 5540, the public charge questionnaire. Lastly, what's going on with President Biden's attempt to halt deportation for 100 days? Well, as you guys know, that policy, this new policy, was put on hold temporarily by a judge out of Texas. The judge has recently extended that restraining order for another 14 days. So during this time, the administration cannot implement that policy. Guys, I hope you found this update helpful. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.